Hey there. So what happens when you publish a blog post inside HubSpot? Ideally, what happens is that your blog post goes live and then you have to think about, oh, I have to put this blog post out on social as well. And then you go on and draft your social media post. If it's done inside HubSpot, if you have the integration there, good for you. Otherwise, you would go to that social platform and do that. Very tiring task, isn't it? So what you can do in such a case is set up blog auto-publish on social, and today we are going to tell you how you can do this. So guys, in order to get started, firstly what you need to do is log into your HubSpot account. Then what we need to do is set up blog auto-publish. Now blog auto-publish can help you to automatically publish your posts whenever new blog posts are published. And these social posts are published 15 minutes after your new blog post is published. All of the social posts include the blog post's link, title, and featured image. If the post is going to go on Facebook or X, it will also have the meta description as well. Now, blog auto-publish has some limitations. For example, it can only be turned on for shared social media accounts, and unpublishing and republishing a blog post won't make sure that it will go to the social as well with the updated changes. And due to Instagram limitations, blog auto-publishing is not available for Instagram accounts. Now, in order to set up blog auto-publishing, what you need to do is firstly click on the settings icon on the top right. Here, on the left, scroll down below and under tools, there's the section called as marketing, and here's the option called as social. Click on that. Here in the account section, you can see that you need to connect one of the social accounts in order to get started with this. So maybe I'll connect my X account here. Now you need to authorize the app in order to access your account. Once that is done, you can either report on posts published from all sources, or you can report on posts published from HubSpot only. So I want to choose that. I'll click on done and my account is connected. Now I click on next and post visibility default next. So we click on next and we can get an email notification as well, social reports as well. Click on done and maybe later. So now that my account is connected, I go back to that part. I click on settings. I click on the left, I click on marketing, and then there's the social. Here under accounts, you can see that one of my accounts is connected. And here you can see that the blog auto publish option is not enabled yet because I need to share the account in order to be able to update auto publishing. So I have to change the account setting to be available to everyone. And I click on save. Now when I have shared my account and set the account access to everyone, I can choose the blog which will be auto published, and I click on choose blog, and I can choose the blog, maybe my practice blog. So I want to auto publish new content for the practice blog, and I click on submit, and my job is done. And now whatever I post will be auto published on this connected social media account. So guys, I hope this was crystal clear and you were able to follow all of the steps. In case you are still running into any sorts of issues, feel free to let us know in the comment section below. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want our help in order to build something awesome that you have dreamed up, yes, we at CT9 are always more than happy to help you. You can scan the QR code on the screen in front of you, or you can click on the link in the pinned comment below. And I'll see you guys very soon in the next video.